Hi, I'm Angela Velasquez. I'm the executive editor of Rivet, and today we have Steve Stewart, the Chief Innovation Officer for the LYCRA Company. Steve, welcome.
Hello, everybody. Thanks for having me. It's great to be here. It's a lovely evening in Shanghai.
Well, it's a lovely morning in New York, so
That's right.
But before we hear about this new fiber from LYCRA, can you tell us about the innovation process and how it kind of came to be?
Sure. Let me start by first introducing my new role as Chief Innovation Officer. Prior to taking this new role this month, I was leading the Asia apparel team for the LYCRA Fiber business, the LYCRA Company, and so recently moved now to become a Chief Innovation Officer, which is a really exciting new role for the LYCRA Company. In that role, I'm responsible for the leadership of our integrated technology and strategic marketing capability. The team that I lead is tasked with really accelerating the pace and impact of our innovative products from the LYCRA Company for brands, retailers, and consumers who use our differentiated offerings. And our innovation strategy is really designed to identify the needs of our customers. We're really guided by consumer research from global markets. We specifically look for pain points that can be solved with newer, improved products. And once developed, our teams work closely with our mill customers to really commercialize those offerings in fabrics and garments that can be taken then to our brands and retailers. Our stretch technologies have really revolutionized the textile and apparel industry, and we continue to challenge ourselves to drive further product differentiation to continue to redefine the markets of our mill and our brand and retail partners.
Okay. And tell us about LYCRA's new anti-slip fiber technology.
Yeah, sure. So as I mentioned before about identifying pain points, LYCRA anti-slip fiber was an innovation that was really developed to address the key pain point of seam slippage in denim and woven fabrics. How this came about, again, was part of that innovation process. We identified a trend in denim and woven fabrics, piece dyed as well, towards using more blended yarns. So changing from predominantly cotton with spandex to include blends that had polyester, viscose, and rayon fibers. And while those blended fibers bring many benefits to fabric performance, including offering a very soft hand, they're much more slippery in the fabric, which can lead to many problems with seam slippage for brands, retailers, and then consumers. And so this new fiber was really developed to solve that key issue of elastane slippage in single core fabrics with blended yarns. That way we could ensure that we can provide durable stretch and great recovery power. So the heart of our new technology is really the unique filament structure and proprietary chemical composition, specially engineered to increase the adhesive and frictional force between the surrounding blended hard fibers and LYCRA elastane fiber. So it's really designed to help prevent seam slippage and improve garment quality and yield. This patent-pending fiber really helps maintain appearance for garments, wash after wash and wear after wear. It's really a versatile fiber that makes possible a multitude of fabric developments and constructions, including very open structures, again, use of those blended fibers with polyester, viscose, and rayon, plus cotton, to achieve a very soft touch and a natural, authentic appearance in denim fabrics. And finally, for dual core yarns like our patented LYCRA Dual Effects technology, having LYCRA anti-slip fiber in the core of that fiber will really further enhance the anti-slippage performance, which results in best-in-class results. This means that consumers can have super stretch denim that lasts longer and keeps its fit and shape.
Okay, and in practical terms, what does that mean for the producers and for the wearers?
Sure. So when seam slippage happens, the elastane fiber is pulled towards the inside of the yarn bundle, which causes an immediate impact in the fabric appearance. What that does is it makes the fabric look unsightly with puckering, and you can see in this picture here really what that might look like in a garment. So what happens then is, for the producer, fabric and garment producers, this could lead to an increase in rejects. So basically, those wouldn't pass as acceptable fabrics, and they would be rejected in the inspection process, which really leads to wasted fabrics and resources. As the problem is made worse with continued wear and wash, if this problem makes it to a consumer, it could lead as well to garment returns for the brand and retailer, which can be very damaging for a brand's quality reputation. So as we know, it's been a pressing technical problem for the industry. We've been very committed to finding a solution that benefits not only our mill customers and our garment customers, but really the consumers as well. So LYCRA anti-slip fiber really improves fabric and garment quality, helps reduce the risk of returns, and makes possible some very unique fabric developments with these blended yarns that really help achieve kind of next generation soft hand wicking performance, as well as kind of a very vintage, authentic appearance for denim fabrics.
Okay. And how's the industry responding to the fiber so far?
So we really just launched this product last month at Intertextile Shanghai. We already have brands and retailers that are very interested in developing new denim collections with this innovative fiber. We have mills in active development here in China. We have Advanced Denim, Xindadong Textile, and Haiyang Dynasty Textile. In South Asia, we have the Artistic Group, Sorti, and Navina. So really many different developments kind of underway with this innovative fiber. So we expect to see that flow through the value chain in the coming months.
And why is this innovation important? And maybe you can kind of put into perspective how large of a problem this actually is.
Yeah, sure. So, one of the big challenges for fashion retailers is dealing with returns, right? In particular, denim jeans, which are one of the most commonly returned items in online shopping. A lot of the returns are style or fit related, but we see a significant amount of returns that are due to customers' dissatisfaction with the quality or aesthetics of the product. And we think many of those issues are linked to seam slippage performance. So with LYCRA anti-slip fiber, this means that the brands and retailers can have very good confidence in terms of the long-lasting quality of their fabrics and garments, and that'll help consumers really develop that brand loyalty so that they can have that super stretch jean they want, that they know is going to have great durability and maintain its fit and shape. And I think the other point, as I said before, which is really important to the industry, is really about how do we reduce kind of the waste in the process. If this process happens in the mill or in the garment production part of the process, then essentially we have waste that can't be dealt with and is not very efficient. So it really has a great benefit all the way through the value chain, from the production to the consumer.
And anti-slip fiber addresses a very specific problem. What other innovations are getting the attention from brands and from retailers?
Sure. So I'd say sustainability and how each of us is impacting the environment has really become of utmost importance, obviously now more than ever. Consumers and customers alike are really concerned about the impact we all make on the environment. And so as a result, the durability of garments is really becoming more important to today's conscious consumer, thinking about sustainable future. So we think creating solutions that fulfill the consumer desire for durable and sustainable fashion is really paramount to helping gain market share and drive loyalty. So at the LYCRA Company, we're committed to developing products and technologies that really enhance the performance of our customers' offering while minimizing the environmental footprint and continuing to safeguard the health and safety of our employees and communities. And I think tomorrow, actually, we're going to have one of the sessions from the LYCRA Company. We'll talk more about our sustainability offering. So kind of in that vein of durability, really kind of having the best. As I mentioned earlier, our patented LYCRA Dual Effects technology really helps keeping jeans looking new longer by helping them keep them from stretching out because of our inclusion of LYCRA and LYCRA T400 fibers. We have LYCRA Tough Mix technology, which really helps keep jeans from ripping or tearing with fabrics that are up to twice as strong as those with 100% cotton. Preventing rips and tears is really a great attribute or positive performance attribute in men's denim. We also have really under our EcoMade family of fibers, we have offerings in LYCRA, CoolMax, and Thermalite brands. We have a number of offerings that have both pre and post consumer content, recycled content. The latest of these is the LYCRA EcoMade fiber, which is made partly with pre-consumer waste. And it's certified to GRS standard. It offers the same high quality performance as our other LYCRA fiber offerings. And it's really kind of a great way to continue to drive the sustainability story. And finally, I'd say one of the other innovations that are just beginning really in the denim and woven space that you'll be hearing more about is our Science of Fit platform, where we've developed a fiber solution that we think addresses one of the most common challenges of online shopping, and that's really the garment fit across different body types and sizes, right? Not everybody's a medium, small, perfect. Everybody has different shapes and sizes. We call it LYCRA MyFit Fiber, and we have a lot of innovations that are really driving with that, or fabric innovations driving with that, and some already moving forward in the denim and woven space. So I'd stay with that, say stay tuned.
Okay, yeah, no, you're busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you mentioned that you did just recently move into this new role as Chief Innovation Officer. Can you share with us some of your immediate and long-term plans?
Sure. I mean, again, the objective of the role, as I said before, was really about accelerating kind of our innovation cadence, really our way to really ensure we're market back, we're really responding to consumer needs and brand and retail needs in terms of with relevant innovations. And so we have a very robust pipeline, but we want to kind of push that to the market more aggressively and be more responsive really to the needs. What we see is that the industry is changing quite rapidly, obviously with COVID and other factors really moving from more retail space to online shopping. Many things are happening, and to really be that valued partner for the industry, we have to continue to kind of accelerate really our progress. So I'd say that's kind of the short term, and the long term really is continuing to really understand really what the market needs in terms of differentiated fiber offerings, differentiated fabrics in all of our key spaces. And obviously the denim space is really one that's very near and dear to our heart, and one that we'll continue to be driving innovation for.
Okay. Well, Stephen, it's been great speaking to you today. Any last words before we finish?
No, I don't think so. I mean, again, I wish Kingpins Amsterdam really all the best success. I hope that soon we'll be able to get together again in person. I think they've been very innovative in terms of this mode to move to the online platform where we're all able to still connect as close as possible, both as an industry and with our customers, and which I think is really exciting. So I really congratulate the Kingpins team for continuing to drive that. And but I know that we all hope and that we'll be able to be together soon in person, because it's a lot more fun to be together than apart.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But this is great in the meantime, and thank you. Take care.
Thank you. It's good to talk to you.
All right. Bye.
All right. Good night.